I mean, I think the 33 might be this one here going to Leeds.
Is that going to be after that one?
Yeah, the 33 minutes past, yeah. I'm leaving at 4:30, so after 2 trains are gone, I'm gone.
That was going to be the next one.
Yeah, there he goes. 43 046 departs London King's Cross for York on a usual stopper service. But it's this one, it's very rare for this train coming down here. But this is a good thing it's got its East Midlands carriages. When I've seen them, I saw one of them had a 9 car. Yep, there goes the Leeds. York North East service. Going out Grantham. Going out Stevenage, Grantham. Stevenage, Peterborough. Yeah, and 055. So we've got 2 Newark North gates. So